Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. We're going to be making unleavened bread today. It's that time of year when we just want to take the time to remember the great sacrifice that was made by our Lord Jesus for us. Our ingredients are very simple: 2 cups of wholemeal flour, 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, 1/3 of a cup of water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt or kosher salt. We're going to add all of the ingredients into a bowl, and then we're going to mix that together really well until it forms a nice dough. Place the dough on a piece of parchment paper and roll it and fold it, roll it and fold it at least 3 or 4 times. It will look like this, and then you're going to score it into little squares and prick it with a fork, and then we're going to place that in the oven at gas mark 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Here we have our unleavened bread. Let it cool down for about 10 minutes, and when you break it, it should have a little bit of a snap to it. The Unleavened One. Easter's not about Easter eggs and bunny rabbits. It's all about the fact that Jesus died and rose again, and because of that, we have hope.